Always start with GelColor nail prep. I begin with my choice of GelColor base coat that I shook thoroughly for 1 minute to ensure my product is fully dispersed. I'm going to use the Stay Classic base coat. Notice when I'm applying, I cover the entire nail surface evenly. This is going to give you a nice foundation for your color. Keep in mind not to flood the cuticle area. Flooding the cuticle area can lead to premature lifting. Also, don't forget to cap the free edge. I'm going to repeat these steps on the remaining nails and cure for 30 seconds. For this mani, I'm going to use GelColor Cajun Shrimp. Pre-shake it for 1 minute to ensure the pigments are fully dispersed. For my first coat, apply slightly below the cuticle area and push the product upwards to get as close to the cuticle line as possible. Then stroke down the middle, then the left, then the right, and don't forget to cap the free edge. Repeat these steps on the remaining nails, making sure to apply evenly to ensure a smooth finish. Then cure for 30 seconds. For the second coat, apply with slightly more precision. This is what gives you full coverage. Always cap the free edge and cure for 30 seconds. Now to finish, I'll seal in my color with GelColor Stay Shiny Top Coat. Apply a nice thin layer, covering the entire nail surface evenly, and cure for 30 seconds. Once nails are cured, remove the tacky layer with the nail wipe and NAS 99 to reveal the high shine finish. Cuticles may look a little bit dry, but for a finishing touch, massage cuticle oil to hydrate the skin. And just like that, you nailed your GelColor application.